This converted Mercedes Sprinter isn't going anywhere because it's protected with an insurance approved S5 Plus with immobilisation tracker. This has 2 automatic driver recognition tags. If someone copied the key, went to steal this vehicle, didn't have the tag, it's just not going to start. The ignition power's up, but the vehicle's going nowhere. So if we just pop the battery into the tag, this is now our authorization to drive the vehicle. So as long as we've got it in our pocket, obviously in the case, we try and start the vehicle, it fires up straight away and we can drive it. So this is an insurance approved S5 Plus with immobilisation tracking system, where you have a locate and retrieve service. If the vehicle was to be stolen, say they grabbed the key with the tag, stole the vehicle, the tracking company will locate the vehicle and retrieve it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a converted Mercedes Sprinter protected with an S5 Plus with immobilisation and 2 tags. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.